Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So in today's video, I will show you how to restart any iPhone with iOS 26. So to restart your phone, it's so easy. You have just to click on the power button and the volume up button. Long press like this, and as you can see now on your screen, there is this slide to power off like showing, and if you want to restart your phone, you have just to slide to the right, and after that your phone will be closed and you can open it again to restart it. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you